So this is one of these Wolfwise pop-up shower tents. I'm going to show you how, when you open that, what it looks like. The idea behind this is that we'll be able to put our potty in here or take a shower in here. So it comes in this nice zipped up bag. And what somebody said on a forum or something I read, so there's the bag. They said if you can just unhook it and toss it out into on the ground somewhere, it'll just come together. So let's just see what it says here. Okay, and it comes with this little bag of stakes, which will help it stay in place. So let's just take a look on the inside. So basically you have a space here. You fit your little potty in here or put your shower.
Or just a dressing room.
Yeah, just a dressing room. There's a little window over on this side if you want to be able to look out over here. Or get some fresh air. Right here. So if you're in there, you can do that. And it looks like, it almost looks like it needs a little rain fly, but I guess it doesn't. So let's see what's in this little bag. I feel something in here. It feels like there's actually a little rain fly in here. So we open this.
And just like that, the sun is gone.
Yeah, so we've got to wrap it up. So it's just some stakes with a bunch of cord to strap it down. And that's it. Now, real quickly, to put it away, you just put it back together like it was. Of course, we gotta zip this. And basically push it back together like that. And roll it down. Like this. Let's see.
I think you're supposed to fold it twice.
Pull the two arched parts together with two hands. So it looks like there's just a stand on this. And pull this down in like that.
And one more fold.
How do you do one more fold? Like that?
Here, let me touch.
Okay.
I don't know, I thought there was two folds.
Okay, so we read the instructions well and we practiced. So basically you pull this down, and then once you get here, you get these two parts and you bring it together and then slide this, the roof, back underneath, so you get your feet off of here and kind of, there we go, push all these together and get something about like that. And then we just grab this case. I'll put it back in here.